What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. We are having a shop day. We're back on the mud truck. We're addressing an issue that's driving me bananas. So since we've built this truck, I put the motor in. I had an old power steering pump on it. Power steering pump went bad. I was like, all right, I got a new aftermarket power steering pump from Advance. Didn't even make it out of my little lot here. That worked like shit. So I was like, okay. So then I get an OEM pump. That's been working fine for a while. Well, it just went out again. So this is the third power steering pump on this truck since I put it all together. So obviously we're having an issue with it. We're going to change it up a little bit, and I'm going to show you what's going on right now. So I do have a power steering cooler right there. That's the factory power steering cooler. This is my transmission cooler when I originally purchased the truck. So what my plan is we're going to get rid of that factory cooler, put this bigger one in, and it's going to hopefully dissipate heat a little bit more better. It's going to add more fluid. It's dual row. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is installing this power steering cooler on the mud truck. Yeah. Let's go. What are you doing under there, bud?
I fucking cut myself bad, bro.
We had an incident here with one of our guys that's not here, and apparently Josh thinks he's funny.
We're sorry, Gatlin Newland. What's his last name?
Yeah, you got it right.
Newland.
Oh, yeah. All right, everyone. Josh and Chase got the new power steering cooler mounted. As I said earlier, we repurposed this. This is the original transmission cooler when we bought the truck. So I've been having a problem going through pumps, and hopefully this is going to fix it. So we got a couple of these fittings. We got it all routed to the orbital valve and the power steering pump. hopefully this fixes our problem. There's even a fan you can put on the front of this, which I don't think that's necessary, but I guess time will tell. Whenever I got that pump warrantied out from the dealer, they actually wanted me to bring the truck there so they could diagnose it. And clearly that's going to be a problem considering it's a monster truck, and I paid $500 for that pump, so I don't think they're going to warranty it again. So I tried to take every precaution to make sure this lasts. So hopefully this lasts for a while, because this whole power steering pump thing when you're driving a monster truck and it's not working sucks. So we're gonna put the grill on. Josh is getting ready for his job later, and okay, use ATF.
That's what I said.
Okay. What's going on here? Why isn't the grill on?
Can't get any more. Lose it, bro.
Good thing that didn't explode. We need that.
I'd have bought a jug. Well, we'll come back to that then. It's just one piece of.
Do I need to put you in anger management?
You need to put him in fucking special class. Special class.
Do you get a check every month?
For the mentally handicapped.
Why is the grill so fucking nasty and oily and shit?
I spilled a bunch of transmission fluid on it earlier.
Dude,
It's a mud truck.
you guys are unreal.
Good steam.
Yeah.
One finger, baby. I don't know if it was that easy before, but it's like so easy, it doesn't even feel like it's hooked up.
We're back in action, baby! Well, how do you guys feel right now?
Accomplished.
I think I have borderline heat stroke, to be honest.
Yeah.
but,
Heat
I'm
stroke?
still kicking.
You're not even sweating, dude.
Funny, my face is soaked.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's
I'm glad you guys are way up there, because that's the only raise you're getting today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, power steering is back working good. Got that big cooler in there. Had to barely notch the grill, but everything went well with that. We got the truck all cleaned up. Got it all WD-40 so the mud comes off easier. So we got a new air filter in there because I got a bunch of water that came in there. Changed the oil, clean the mass airflow, all that good stuff. So we're getting it ready for our next event. So now that the power steering is rectified, hopefully that stays good, because I'm tired of this power steering thing. So let me know in the comments below what you think about how we repaired the power steering, and you know, I love to hear feedback. So Next video, back to mud bogging.